Exciting announcement! Boinkers new airdrop. Hey everyone! In today's video, we'll be discussing the Boinkers Airdrop. But before we dive in, I've got something special for you. To enter, you don't need to do much. Like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Now, let's jump into the video. Boinkers coin, $Boink, price overview, everything we know so far. Boinkers, $Boink, the native token powering the viral Telegram-based game Boinkers Airdrop, has quickly become a hot topic across crypto communities and social media platforms. With its growing popularity among gamers and airdrop enthusiasts alike, anticipation is building around the token's official exchange listing. However, as of today, there is still no confirmed news that $Boink is actively trading on major cryptocurrency exchanges. Expected listing price range. Industry analysts and crypto experts have been closely monitoring Boinkers' development and community engagement. Based on preliminary projections, $Boink is expected to debut at a price between $0.0034 and $0.0068. These estimates consider factors such as the size of the existing user base participating in the Boinkers Airdrop game, growing interest from the broader crypto community, the viral nature of the game's launch across Telegram channels, price predictions under different liquidity scenarios. The initial market price of $Boink will be heavily influenced by the amount of liquidity provided during its listing event. Below are some projected price ranges based on various liquidity levels. High liquidity, 1 billion tokens supplied. Estimated price range of 23 cents to 30 cents. This scenario assumes strong backing and wide availability, which could stabilize prices at the higher end. Moderate liquidity, 500 million tokens supplied. Estimated price range of 17 cents to 23 cents. This mid-level liquidity could offer a balanced start, reflecting cautious optimism from early investors. Low liquidity, 200 million tokens supplied. Estimated price range of 13 cents to 17 cents. Limited supply could result in higher volatility and a tighter trading range initially. While the exact listing price of $Boink remains to be seen, analysts predict that the token could start trading at a price range between $0.0034 and $0.0068. This expected price range reflects the current buzz around Boinkers and its large user base. As more players jump into the game and $Boink launches into the open market, the token's value may experience significant volatility, making it an attractive asset for those who appreciate both memes and market dynamics. Boinkers is ready to disrupt the memecoin landscape, and with its upcoming airdrop and listing, $Boink could be the next big hit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your thoughts on the Boinkers in the comments below. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching, *.